welcoming everyone to the Fitchburg Common Council special meeting for July 15, 2024. The first thing is to come to the order of the meeting. We have quorum. Second, please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance. Okay, next roll call, please.
Thank you, Mayor. Alder Allen.
Present.
Mayor Radafrada.
Here.
Alder Dancer Jr.
Here.
Alder Gerhardt.
Here.
Alder Herbst. Here. Alder Jetzer.
Here.
Alder Maldonado.
Here.
Alder Vafadari is absent with excuse. Alder Wheeler is absent with excuse. You do have a quorum, Mayor.
Thank you. So next we move to new business, and I need I need a motion to approve resolution R-139-24, approving American Multi-Cinema Inc. settlement agreement.
Second. So moved.
Okay, so we have, who moved? Maldonado?
I don't know.
And Jay? Okay.
Take your pick.
Okay, so next we need to go to a closed session, please. So I need someone to read the motion.
I would move to go into closed session pursuant to Wisconsin Statutes 1985 1G, conferring with legal counsel for the governmental body who is rendering oral or written advice concerning strategy to be adopted by the body with respect to litigation in which it is or is likely to become involved. And this is regarding the American Multimedia Incorporated Settlement Agreement.
Okay, I need a second.
Second.
Alder Jetzer. Okay, so we are moving to closed session at, what the time is, 5?
All in favor?
All those in favor of going to a closed sessions, say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? The motion carried. So we are going to closed session at 5. Okay, so we are reconvening into open session, so I need to motion to reconvene to open session.
So moved.
All
Second.
those in favor of reconvening say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? The motion carries. So,
I move to approve resolution R-139-24 with the, with the change as discussed in closed session with the party. Anything I need to correct on that, Amy?
no, it's fine.
Okay.
No, I think that's
Okay, all those in favor of resolution R-139.
We need a roll call.
So we need to roll call because we have a amendment to the budget. Okay.
Alder Allen.
Yes.
Alder Dancer Jr.
Aye.
Alder Gerhardt.
Aye.
Alder Herbst.
Aye.
Alder Jetzer.
Aye.
Alder Maldonado.
Aye.
Motion carried.
Okay, thank you. So I need a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Second.
All those in favor of adjourning say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed, the motion carries. So we are adjourning at 5:57. Thank you very much for coming, guys.